have a super special announcement today. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and hi if you're new here, you have come at the perfect time. I'm Melissa and I make fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos here on this channel. I have a super special announcement today. No, I'm not pregnant, no, I'm not engaged, no other life stuff to report, but I am relaunching my blog. I am so unbelievably excited. I have been working so hard to get my site back up for you guys. Nick and our team has been working extremely hard as well to get this back up for you all. I am literally, I just so excited. So if you didn't already know, I do have my own blog, but when I launched it last year around this time, I didn't have much that I put on it and it wasn't complete. There were sections of my blogs that I didn't even completely finish. There's some text that shouldn't have been there. I didn't really put a ton of work into optimizing the blog. However, behind the scenes, we've been working to optimize the website so it is super fast for you, offering a ton of free resources. I added in a recipe section, and I have created and written my first recipe myself, which I'm so excited to share with you guys. It's really delicious if you ask me. This is going to be a super short and sweet video so I can talk about the blog a little bit, the inspiration, and what I want to do with it. So if you guys are interested in hearing about that, then just keep on watching. All right, first things first, let's talk about what kind of content I'm going to be offering on my blog. So it's going to be an extension of YouTube, but it's going to be so much more than that. So I have a ton of tabs at the top for content that you guys can look at. I have fashion, beauty, lifestyle, recipes, and a Let's Talk page. So for the Let's Talk page, that's just going to be when I want to talk to you guys about a certain topic that doesn't really fit into like the lifestyle, beauty, fashion stuff. Maybe it's how I'm feeling, maybe it's some tips and tricks I wanted to share with you guys, maybe it's PCOS related. So anything that I just want to get off my chest and share with you guys but put it in blog format, I want to put it on the blog. Admittedly, I am super bad at public speaking. It's a shock I even have a YouTube channel. I am not a public speaker, so a lot of the times I'll film a video for you guys and then I'll look back at the footage and I'll be like, oh, I didn't say this, I should have said this better, I wanted to say this in a different way, I said that a little bit insensitively and I meant it in this way. And I feel like with a blog I can like curate my feelings more. What am I even saying? I can write exactly what I'm feeling and go back and edit it to make it exactly what I want to say and really get the point across in a much better way than I can on YouTube videos sometimes. I know YouTube might be a little bit more real life because you're seeing me in the moment and you're seeing me like actively be a person here on YouTube, and on the blog I can kind of curate things a little bit more and make things really aesthetic, but also obviously it's going to be real life as well. I'm not going to share anything with you guys that I don't believe in, or I don't know, you guys get my drift. So the Let's Talk section is just for me to talk to you guys and interact with you more than I do in videos. There will be a comment section on every blog post that I make, so you can chat with me there and I will respond to everybody there just like I do in the comment section of my YouTube videos. And you all know that I don't do a ton of social media. It's just better for my mental health if I'm not trying to force myself to post things all the time. Specifically, I'm talking about Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, stuff like that. I feel like longer format videos and then blog posts is more up my alley. And so I really wanted to have this blog so I could interact with you guys more, give you more content, and just kind of show my personality, my life a little bit more on the blog. Another tab that I have, and probably the most fun tab, is the fashion section. So sometimes I run into the issue of not being able to share things quick enough with you guys on YouTube because filming is a production and I'm a one-woman show. So between the lighting, the setting, the stage, the hair, the makeup, the editing, it's just a lot of work just to get one video put out. It's like insane. So sometimes by the time I get around to filming a fashion haul, the pieces are already sold out and you can't get them. And I try not to buy things that sell out quickly or that you can't get your hands on because like what's the point? But it does happen, and then I get super frustrated because I want to show you guys to help you and to show you what will work on my body, and maybe it'll help you with what will work on yours as well. Just taking pictures of outfits and describing the fit and the feel in the blog post goes so much faster than making an entire production out of it in a video. So I'm still going to be doing fashion videos, don't get me wrong. It's just that I'm going to be giving you way more updates on my blog of clothing that I've been loving, maybe whole reviews of certain brands, maybe my current favorites in fashion. And I know if you're actively seeking out a blog post, you're wanting that specific information. So it'll help me a little bit better figure out what you guys are looking for from me specifically. But then also I can just share whatever I want in general because it is my blog. And even more, I want to share with you guys like deals and steals that I find on fashion. Sometimes there's an amazing deal that'll pop up and I'm just shopping it personally and I want to tell you guys about it, but I don't want to bombard you with YouTube notifications and posts on there. So it'll be another resource for me to be able to help you guys just in a better manner, in my opinion. The next section that I have on there is beauty. You guys know I love beauty. I started my YouTube channel way back in the day. Actually, I have a YouTube channel that you guys don't know about. It was in like 11th grade. I started doing makeup tutorials. Anyway, just like with fashion, there's so much I want to share with you guys all the time. And again, videos are really hard to produce, so I'm just going to be able to put out more content. And honestly, there is deals on beauty and skincare and hair care all the time. And I always want to share it with you guys, but again, I don't want to be like pushing products onto you guys and making you feel like you need this now. So with the blog post, if you're looking for that content and you want to know what deals I'm shopping or what I'm seeing, then you can go there and find it. I also have a lifestyle section, and that's where I'm going to be showing you all the updates that I've been making to the house. I just styled my entryway for like everyday living, but also for fall. And so I took pictures of the entire process and I show you where I bought things, what my thought process was designing the space. I'm actually really happy with how it turned out. I'm just really proud of the content that I've been making on there because I'm able to curate it a little bit more and I'm able to realize my vision a little bit more on the blog post. I've just been so proud of what I've been able to accomplish and show you guys. The lifestyle section is going to be honestly kind of like a flex section where I just share with you guys a ton of different lifestyle things. And lastly, my favorite section so far is my recipe section. I wanted to create a recipe blog so badly, but that is just a huge commitment and undertaking additionally with this blog and YouTube and work and all that stuff. So I decided to put it on the Melbury Life blog. I made it super user-friendly and optimized just like an actual recipe blog. So I have a plugin where you can see the recipe card, you can print the recipe, you can leave comments, you can rate the recipe. And so I would love if you guys would try it out and leave me a comment on how the recipe worked out for you. It's a white chicken chili recipe, one of my favorite things in the world. And I took a ton of pictures. It was so fun to food style and just really get creative and figure out food styling and that whole process on the fly. I watched videos, I bought studio lights, I did everything I could to accurately represent the recipe but make it pretty in the process. Eventually, what is to come from Melbury Life is I'm adding a shop section, and that might be products that I have created myself, and it might be products that you just see frequently on my blog, and if you want to shop them, it'll just be a really easy click of the shop tab and then you can go shop whatever section of the blog you're looking to shop. However, there is shoppable links within my blog, so if you see a little section of my blog where pictures are rolling through, you can click on the picture and it will link you to the product page. Any product that I link on my blog, well, not any product, but most of the products that I link on my blog are affiliate links. So I do make a very small commission off of anything you shop with my links, and that helps me put out more content for you guys. I don't make very much money off links at all, but it does help in putting out more content for y'all. So if you do want to shop the blog, you can just click any of the links. So anything that has a picture and the little scrolling carousel, that will take you to the product page. And I've also linked within paragraphs on my blog. If there's a product that says click here or it's highlighted in pink, then you can just click that and it'll take you to the product page as well. So the exciting thing is I have been working so hard and I have made blog posts for every single category on my blog. I know last time I had tabs on my blog that didn't even have blog posts in them when I launched, so I thought that was kind of boring, and I don't know, I didn't really like that, so I worked really hard to have at least one blog post in every single category. I think most of them have 2 or more already. I did leave my old blog posts up just because I wanted the nostalgia and see like where I started from. The basic format and look of the blog is the same. I didn't change too much aesthetically. I just optimized it all, and if there was a link that was broken or text that shouldn't be there or text that needed to be updated, we did all that. So again, if you were wondering how you could support me in my blogging dreams, you could leave comments on my blog posts and interact with the blog there. You can rate the recipes and you can shop through my links. All of those things help me out and I'm able to produce more content for you guys, so I just wanted to share that with you. Also, leaving a like on this video really helps with the YouTube algorithm, and watching it all the way through to the end will help me immensely. But I know time is valuable, so I appreciate all of you and everything that you do to keep this channel growing. You guys are awesome. So if you have any blog post requests from me, please comment them down below here so I know exactly what you guys want to see, because I am so pumped and so ready to put out more for you all. I'm not sure if I already said it, but I will be making one YouTube video a week and then at least one blog post a week, but I know myself and I know I'm going to be putting out way more because I already have a ton in the queue that I've already worked on ready to go out. I also wanted to mention the Sephora sale is coming up pretty fast, so I don't know if I'm going to be doing a YouTube video on it, but I do have a whole blog post on the sale already done. And next week, well, Monday, so tomorrow, I'm putting out a blog post on what's actually in my cart for the Sephora sale as we speak. So it's kind of like a wish list and shop with me, if you will. So I'm super excited for this new adventure, well, continued adventure, just revamped and better than ever. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate you all. If you have any questions for me, please let me know. I'm going to link my blog down below. It is now live, so you can actually go to it now. So head on over there, check it out. Tell me what you think of it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.